this is why I think that drop shipping is a bad side hustle for beginners in 2022. The first reason why I think it's a bad side hustle is because it's got a low profit margin. So, yes, it's less money in, but it's also less money out. So, basically, it's going to require a lot of sales to actually stay afloat. So, is that sustainable? The second reason why I think drop shipping is a bad side hustle is that it's a highly, highly competitive industry. So, yes, there's like a low barrier for entry into it, but that just means that there's like some fierce competition out there. So, and it's highly unlikely that you actually have exclusive rights to the products that you're selling. So, basically, like you're gonna get your rivals in these larger businesses that are just gonna basically reduce their costs, reduce the markup on it, and they can sell it for less. So why is someone going to buy it from you when they can buy it from someone else for less? Like Costco and Walmart, it's kind of just common sense. And the third reason why I think drop shipping is a bad side hustle for beginners, it's just supply chain nightmares. So like you're gonna have to deal with like the inventory, you have to deal with like issues with like products, you have to deal with the issues of products shipped. Like basically customer service, customer support kind of lands in your hands. So it can be pretty overwhelming for like a beginner side hustle. Yeah, those are reasons why I think it. I mean, if you agree with me or disagree with me, leave me a comment below. Give me a follow. And if you'd actually like to find out about a good side hustle in 2022 for beginners, click the link in my bio.